Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to increase your page rendering resolution in CorelDraw from 100 DPI to 300 DPI for higher graphic rendering resolution in your CorelDraw. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular page here was the default by 100 maximum DPI. How do we increase the resolution to about 300? So for that, what you want to do right here from the page before you can export or rendering your design, go ahead and press Ctrl J on your keyboard, and this is going to pop up right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to this document icon, click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on page size. Under the page size, you have rendering resolution, which is 96 right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and click on here, and then you have 300. Once you click on 300, come down below right here and hit on OK. And you have drastically increased the rendering resolution of this particular page layout to be 300 dB. By the time you're done with your design and you export your design, you are getting 300 dB export resolution option in your exporting project. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about CorelDraw settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.